What's going on, ladies and gentlemen, and beautiful people? My name is Manny Quinones, and I am here today to provide you guys your TradingView tutorial. TradingView is a free online charting software which allows you to log in from anywhere in the world to your account so that way you can actually get access to the Forex and the cryptocurrency market. That way you guys can begin marking up your charts, start doing your analysis, and start taking trades inside of the market. Okay, so when you come to this website, tradingview.com, this will be the homepage. You simply want to join for free. Okay, just want to join for free and just log in with your Facebook information. Okay, that's what a lot of us do. We log right in, we have one account, and then it'll give you your account. Now, once you have this account, it'll allow you to save a couple of your chart layouts, put a couple of indicators on your chart, and then that's where things start to get fun and interesting. Okay, so let's get started with how the TradingView system actually works and some of the key features that are here. When you come right up here to ticker is what allows you to look for all of the different Forex pairs, allows you to look for all of the different Forex pairs, the crypto pairs, stock pairs, whatever you guys are trading. So let's take a look at, we'll go to GBP USD, Great British Pound to the US dollar. Now, anytime that you guys write a Forex pair in here to bring it up, you'll see that there's a lot of different brokers, a lot of different options to choose from. So what you want to do is look right over here to the right, and you'll see FXCM, Oanda, ICE, Forex.com. Oanda is one of the most highly trusted, highly accurate brokers to read the information. So anytime you choose a pair, always choose the Oanda chart, okay? So I just clicked on GBP USD Oanda. So it's gonna come right up here. Now, when you scroll down on this screen, this is just some basic line chart information. But as you scroll down here, what you will see is a whole community of traders actually come in here and they share their ideas on the pairs. So this is a very, very good place to come and just cross-reference your ideas and your analysis with other traders. Now, just be precautious with whose advice you're taking here, because remember, there are a lot of newbie traders that are just like you that are on here just sharing their ideas. So it doesn't mean that it's absolutely factual. It just means that they're sharing their ideas with you. All righty. So coming back over here to the top, when you want to get actual access to the chart, you want to click right here where it says full feature chart. All right. And this will bring up the actual charting platform that you have here. So obviously I have some markups. So let's get rid of these markups, remove all drawing tools. Now I have a nice, clean, basic chart. All righty. Now this is where you guys get to start having fun inside of the Forex market. All right. This is where you get to start putting your support, your resistance, your trends. You get to start drawing up your teacups, all of those different things inside of the market. So let me show you a couple of things about how this works, okay? First off, when you come here, the pair is always going to be here on the left. So at any point in time, you can always change this to GBP USD, Euro USD, okay? You can always change that to whatever you want. All right, so we'll go back to GBP USD. Now you'll see that there's a time frame here. 1 minute, 3 minute, 5, 15, 30, 45, hour, 2, 3, 4, daily, weekly, monthly. Now what this is a representation of how you're looking at the chart. So when we scroll in and you look right here, okay, we're currently on the hourly chart. What that means is that every one of these candlesticks represents 1 full hour of foreign exchange, okay? So if I show you what I mean here, let's take a look. This red candle opened up right over here. So that means that this price on, if you see at the bottom right here, okay, March 14th, 2019 at 5 p.m., at 5 a.m., pardon me, this is where the market was, okay? And then at 6 a.m., when the whole market turned over, the market ended up closing down here in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, in this 1 hour, the market ended up coming down. And this market came down 54 pips in that 1 hour. Pretty nice move if you ask me. Okay, so now you can change this time frame. So if you want to get a bigger move, you can come all the way over here to, let's say, the daily. Okay, so the charts will look different according to what's happening. So let me give you some examples. So let's take a look at the daily on GU, right? I'm going to draw like a little bit of a trend line coming up. So we can clearly see that the market is coming up on a daily time frame on GU, right? So we'll check it out right there. Okay, now if I start zooming in on the time frame, okay, because remember, now each one of these are one full day. So this was March 13th. This is March 14th. Okay, when the day is over, a new candle is going to open up for March 15th. Now, as you start zooming in, that was the daily. If I go to the 4 hour, you'll see how the candles, they start to look a little bit different now, right? See how the candles, they're looking different now, okay? And I'll go zoom into the hourly. And now the market opens up just a little bit more. So as you continuously zoom in on the time frame, it's like a magnifying glass, and it gets deeper and deeper and deeper into the price all the way to the 1 minute. And then when you're here on the 1 minute, I mean, look at how much information is here, right? Every single one of these candles represents 1 minute. So you can actually follow the live currency exchange rate in real time, minute by minute by minute, all right? But what we're going to do is we're going to come here to the 4 hour. Okay, the 4 hour and the 1 hour are two of the most popular time frames to trade on. So we'll come here to the 1 hour. All right, we'll leave it on the 1 hour here. Okay, now in addition to that, what you're looking at right now is regular candlesticks. Okay, if you ever come here, you can actually change it to different things. Some people use a bar chart. Some people like to use hollow candles. Makes the chart look a little different. Some people like to use Hikinashi candles right here. This really makes the market look different. So you'll see it just gives you the trend in the market. So it really lets you know like where the market is trending. Okay, so lots of different candlesticks. These are Rinko, right? So lots of different candlesticks to choose from. So you basically want to leave it on candles right over here. This is the most popular one, which everybody trades on. Right, traditional candles inside of the market, okay? Now, when you come over here, this is indicators tab. You can click on this, and then this would allow you to put different indicators on your chart. So let's say you're trading Teacup. A lot of people like to use the EMAs, so they'll put EMA, right? So I type in EMA, and then I'll have the EMAs pop up on the chart. Okay, so I have my EMAs right over there, which are those lines. Now, at any time, you can come over here. You can either just double click the EMA. Pardon me. You can double click the EMA. Well, that's not working. Okay, you can double click the EMA here, and then it'll let you change the input and the style. Okay. Now, you can also come here to this drop-down menu on the left, and you can click that little settings tab, and then that will let you edit the EMA as well. So let's edit this EMA. So let's change this EMA to 50. We'll change that to a 50. We'll come here to the style, and we'll make this a little bit thicker, and we'll make it black. Okay. So there goes my 50 EMA. Now I'm going to take my second EMA, and then I'll change this to 4. Right? We'll change that to 50 and 4. We'll come over here. Let's make this like a nice orange. Make that a lot thicker. Maybe a yellow. There you go. Make it a lot thicker. Press OK. And boom. Now I have my 50 and my 4 EMA for when I'm doing the Teacup strategy in the market. Okay. Now you can also come here to indicators and choose on other indicators that are very popular, such as the RSI. As you guys know, if you're trading the holy swing and the holy pullback, with us, then we are big users of RSI. So you just click here on RSI, Relative Strength Index. Okay, and then it will come up right here on the bottom. And you can always customize this with the settings any way you want. Okay, so you'll get better at it in time. I know Jesus and Alfredo, they like to put 7. Okay, come here to styles. Let's change the RSI line to black. I like black. Okay, we'll change the upper band to, let's say, red, right? We'll put a nice red color up there, make the lines a little thicker. We could come here, change the dotted line, make the bottom line blue, make that a little thicker, change that to dash line, get rid of the background, or we could leave the background there. Let's change this to 80 and 20, and boom. See, I just now customized my RSI on the chart, right? Okay, so these are different ways to access the indicators. Now, if you want to save a template, right, such as this, let's say you want to be able to save this particular template, you come right here to templates. You can choose save indicator template, and you can put, let's say, teacup. You click on save, and bingo. Now, let's say I come here and remove all of my indicators. Let's say I remove all of my drawing tools. Everything is gone. Okay? I can come here to template, and then if I click on teacup, the template that I just made, all of my indicators will pop right back up for me. Okay? So very, very good way to just save your favorite strategies and templates inside of the market. All right? So let's come here. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so you can come here to the left, and if you ever have different indicators on your chart and you don't want to, you just want to hide them, okay, you can come here and then just press the little eye icon, and then it'll just make them disappear. Okay, it'll just hide them from plain sight for you right over there. Okay, now below here, if you ever click on RSI and you press delete on your keyboard, it will delete the indicator. But if you only want to hide it, then all you got to do is double click on the chart. See, so you double click, it'll go away. You double click and it comes back on the chart right over there. Alrighty. So now Price also has this thing on the bottom where it says auto. Auto is where you're zooming in and out and it just stays like in a fixed position. But if you guys ever unclick auto, all right, and you click and hold the screen, you can start dragging around the market anywhere that you want to drag it, okay? You can, right here on the side where the exchange is at, you can click this and then you can collapse the chart, or you can expand the chart and make it really, really expansive, okay? If it ever gets messy and you don't know what you're doing, just come back and click on auto and it'll bring the chart back up to basic format for you. Alrighty, guys. So this is like some of the main tools here, okay? Next thing that you could do is let's take a look over here to the left side of the screen where you have some of the popular tools that you'll use to start marking up the charts, okay? So you come right here. You know, it'll let you click it, but there's also, each one of these things has a little menu. So when you click on that little menu, it'll give you all of the different tools that you can use. So a popular tool is the trend line. So you click on the trend line. This is where you can actually just start connecting your points in the market, start making a trend line, okay? Now, anytime you click on any tool, there's gonna be this little menu that pops up over here. This menu will let you customize whatever tool you put on the chart. So currently we're using the trend line. So we can change the line from black to blue. We can change it to purple, right? Let's put it back to black. You can change the thickness of it. You can make it very thin, or you can make it extremely thick. You can change it from solid to dotted or to dash, you know, whatever like floats your boat, really doesn't matter. It's a matter of preference. Okay, and then when you come here to settings, this will give you more settings. You won't really like use those much. But if you ever want to, let's say, come here and clone it, you can click here where it says copy or clone. And then it'll make it an identical one for you. Okay, and then you could just drag that around the chart like that, okay? So coming back over here, what else we have over here? We have horizontal lines. So these are pretty popular. This is what's going to allow you to basically draw up your support and your resistance zones inside of the market, right? So you could come down here, make these nice support and resistance zones right there in the market. And now you have some basic SRTs inside of the market. Okay, now what's really cool, let me see if I should show you guys this yet. So they have that. Let's stick to over here. You have horizontal raise. Okay, this is where it'll only draw it from where you're at currently. Let's remove all the drawing tools. This is where it'll only draw from where it's at currently in the market. Okay, so you could take that and you could put it there, and then it'll only draw it from there. So if that helps you make the chart feel a little bit cleaner, then you could do that as well. Okay, arrows are right here. Those little arrows just let you say, hey, you know, I want to push the market down. You know, you can really start having fun with the market. Okay, so that's all of that there. Now, another really popular tool is the parallel channels. So you might want to use the channels. You can click on that. And then this is where it'll basically like let you draw a trend line up in the market, right? And then have like the whole channel there. So you can see price is in an up channel, right? So when you start trading channels in the market, you know, this is what a channel looks like. And you can come here and you can customize the color any way you want it, right? If the market's going up, you can have it green. Then if the market's coming down over here, you can put it red, right? So you can always see like the price channels that you're in inside of the market, okay? So that's that. Coming down here to this second menu, there's some more popular tools here. All right, a really popular tool is this Fibonacci retracement. That's pretty much what you'll be using the most. So you can click here on your fibs. These are your handy dandy fibs. Okay, so you'll learn how to use these eventually. Okay, and this is where you could just draw up Fibonacci zones, and then you could wait for price to come to this ever so amazing 618 level. Okay, a lot of people love to trade that 618 level right over here, right? Let me see if I could draw up a nice channel for you guys. Let's say I'm coming out here in the market. Boom. Got this nice channel right there. Make that nice and blue, or even draw it down here. And bingo. Look at this nice price channel that we have right over here. So look at how price was bouncing from channel, came back to the trend, to the channel, hit this beautiful support area, right? Let's come back over here to this one. So you have the brush, the rectangle. This is where you can start drawing out in the market. So let me show you guys this one, this rectangle line right over there, right? The rectangle line is what lets you draw up like that little zone in the market, right? That you draw up that little zone in the market. So if you want to draw like a support and a resistance zone, you know, you could come over here and say, okay, there goes my zone right over there, right? So I know you guys are just learning how to trade, but look at this beautiful trade setup where price came up, hit the trend line, hit a brand new fresh support at that 618 level, and then bingo, the market was able to take off, and that was a nice 380 pip move. That's a lot of money, guys. All right. So these are some of your tools in the market. Let's get rid of the channel now. Okay, let's get rid of that zone. Let's get rid of our Fibonacci's. Now, when you come over here, there's also some other cool ones like the eclipse. So the eclipse will let you like highlight certain areas in the market. If you want to pay attention to certain areas, you can draw little eclipses in the market. Okay. And then you also have the arch. So this is what a lot of people do to do the teacup, which is the arch. So if you take a look here, from here to here, that would have been a nice teacup zone right there in the market for GU, right? So look at that beautiful teacup. and now the market is coming back down, and we're already up 127 pips on that trade, okay? So these are just different ways to really start marking up your chart, start checking out your analysis, and things like that, okay? You can come here to where it has the boxes. This is where you can simply just write things that you want to write. If you want to put a little text, you could put a little text and say, you know, teacup zone, just to as a reminder. If you're ever going to come back to the chart, you can always write up your things there. Now, when you come below, this tool, this has a lot of popular tools such as the XABDC pattern. So if you guys are like trading, if you guys are harmonic traders, which you'll learn about eventually, right? You can draw little harmonic patterns right over there in the market as well, okay? You could also come over here, and then they'll have like the head and shoulders pattern if you guys are drawing up head and shoulders in the market. I guess we'll like do this little baby head and shoulders right over here, right? So you can come over here and you can start marking up your charts, guys, okay? So all the tools that you need are right here. It's just a matter of you guys coming here, getting through them. You see the 5-wave drive. This is what will give you like that Elliott wave, that 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, 5 kind of thing happening over there. Alrighty. So as you guys get better, you guys will start learning how to use all of these tools. This ruler tool right here, this is what allows you to measure the price from top to bottom. Okay, so you can always measure the pips, and then you'll see right there, this says 392.6. So that means that this was 392 pips. Okay, now another really cool thing that you guys can do is actually set alerts in the market. So let me give you an example. So I'm going to put the market in replay. So let's say the market was here in real time. Okay, let's say the market was here in real time, and you're saying to yourself, you're saying, hey, when price comes back up here, okay, the price might teacup, but I might not be paying attention to my chart. So what you could do is you can set a price alert. So let's take a look over here. Over here, this is, we'll take a look at the price. This is about 133,500, right? So that's 1.33500, right? 33500, right? So what you could do is you can set an alert. Oops. Also, I'm in replay mode, so I can't do it in replay mode, right? So let's say prices start to come up to that zone. Now, I have to take it off of replay mode. It won't let me do it. Now, what you could do is you can set an alert for this pair, GBP. You could put crossing, okay, and then put the price right here. You could put 133,500. Click only once. Put show pop-up notification or to your email if you want it to pop up to your email. Okay, you press create, and that's it. Now, when you come over here on GU, you'll see that you have an alert at this level. That's that orange line right there. So if you're not looking at the chart and you're saying, hey, this is going to be a great place to get into the chart, the alert will pop up right there on your trading view. So you don't like miss the opportunity to trade, okay? Alerts are very, very important. Now, you can also come right here to where it says watch list, okay? Now, watch list is where you can basically add all of your favorite pairs to the market. So if you like GBP USD, you can add GBP USD to the watch list, okay? And then what this will do is this will create a quick access for you where you can just start coming here, and then you can just choose all of your favorite pairs quickly in real time, right? So you can just search through all of your favorite pairs right over there in the market. Alrighty. So back on GU, I don't know why that's on FXCM. Let's put on GBP USD Onanda. There we go. And my chart pops back up. Alrighty, guys. So this is pretty much how you use TradingView Okay, all of your tools are right over here to the left. Main functions over here. If you ever want to edit the chart, you can simply come here to the settings, and then you can customize the chart any way you want, okay? Let's say you come to the background, you can put a black background. You can change your grids. Obviously, I like white and gray, right? So you come over here, you could put your session breaks as you guys start getting more familiar with that. Trading, you could put positions, you know, you could do all this other stuff right over here. So just come over here, feel free to play with your chart in the settings, get it to where you're comfortable. And then that's it, guys. That's it. That pretty much concludes the Trading View tutorial. All right, so as you guys get better and better and better at marking up your charts, you'll get better and better and better at trading. All right. So again, guys, with that being said, my name was Manny Quinones. This concludes your Trading View tutorial. I will see you guys in the next training session. Everybody, have a great day.